So hey folks, how are you doing? Today we have a very special opportunity to look at the Hyundai IONIQ 5N, the first real electric sports car I would say on the market. I mean, first of all, it looks gorgeous. Has 650 HP. We can already see at the front we have 275 tires, 35 21 inch at the front, and I think they're also at the rear the same width. You can even see there's wide body kit, which of course helps to also get the 650 HP in this N-Boost mode down. Yeah, here you can look at the details. A very, very nice detail from the distance already, but also if you look closer, yeah, also 275s at the rear. And taking a look inside, some nice Alcantara pieces or similar to that in here, and those bucket seats seem to be right off the i30N. Fit very well to a good character, but don't forget this car is a big car. I mean, it weighs almost 2 tons in the end, or 1.8 tons. Is a quite heavy and big car. But this diffuser and the rear spoiler just look very aggressive. I mean, the IONIQ 5 already had a very nice design, but those pieces really add up to a very, very special vehicle. Also the contrast there. So let's take a jump inside, because I just heard an exhaust sound outside. We can also look at this 8-speed DSG and the Sound Plus functionality in here. Funny enough, with this N mode, you even hear some pops and bangs or some burbles. Evolution is a bit different, more sophisticated. Supersonic is even more into the future, I would say. Yeah, here we have the launch control mode. It seems that you can change the grip level and E-shift with the ref limiter, preconditioning, also for track and drag strips, of course, and Active Sound Plus we just had. And the main N menu shows the distribution from front to back. Oh, there's a notification. Yeah, you can put it all the way to the rear axle, 100% for drifting, for example. Or you could put it onto the front axle. I don't know why you would want that, but it's possible. Even helps you to optimize your drift with the drift optimizer. A lot of notifications there. Yeah, and you can also see, you can see the throttle, how much percentage of throttle and brake pedal you have. I think this is similar to what the i30N and the i20N already have today, but it's very interesting that they have transformed it to the electric world with the additional, let's say, functionalities that only an electric car will have. And of course we have 650 HP, saying again, and 700 Newton meters or 770 Newton meters even in boost mode. Yeah, here we see it should have 650 HP and 770 Newton meters in boost mode. And just look at this design again. I think although the headlights and everything is the same, the front bumper looks so much more aggressive. Like the concept car that they also revealed. Some more looks at the blue one. This is actually a matte blue, also fits very well to the black wheels and the red brake calipers and this kind of red-orange contrast stripe at the bottom at the side fender. And also the rear parts, they just really stick out. You can see how much further out an additional plastic piece here the rear axle is, and also the rim sits right at the edge, which looks very good. Diffuser is huge. I mean, how much further it comes, let's say, into the back. That's also the reason why the car is longer than the regular IONIQ 5, even a few centimeters. You can see that here. That's a lot. That's 5 centimeters longer than the regular car. And yeah, overall it looks like a compact car, but saying it again, it's mid-size SUV in the end, which of course gives you a lot of space inside, but it's not too small, this car, although it looks like it. Very aggressive, also very classic, coming from the ICE molds. Looks very, very sporty at the bottom here, and it looks meaner overall. As said, although the headlights being the same as the standard IONIQ 5 and IONIQ 5. Of course, there's lots going on in Goodwood here. to lots of people. As you probably heard, Goodwood was cancelled on the Saturday, so there was nothing going on Saturday. So we took the chance now on Sunday to look at the cars and the booth of Hyundai again.